If I can't bring my yarn, I'm not going. Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to day 15 of me knitting on the Kintra sweater test knit by the Crayabea. Okay, as you guys know, I finished the body. This is what it looks like. Amazing, 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 okay? We're starting the sleeve today. It's currently 4:12 p.m. Someone's cutting their grass, so hopefully it doesn't come through here. But yeah, I want to start the sleeve today. I decided to take the first half of the day and just rest and edit. I was editing a lot of TikToks and everything. I was gonna edit YouTube videos today, but since it's so late in the day, I just want to focus on my attention on starting and finishing what I can of this sleeve on this first day, since half the day is gone now, since it's 4 p.m. And also, I wanted to make sure I get some daylight to film this intro because I was like, ooh, the sun is setting. Okay, it is darker than it looks on camera right now. But anyway, my goal is to get more than halfway through the sleeve, potentially right before the ribbing. Maybe the ribbing. But like I've been saying, it's fingering weight yarn, so I'm just going to take my time, see the pace that I have with the sleeve, and then determine how I'm gonna do my other sleeve based on how I do my first one. So let's get to knitting. Hey guys, I have finished the first set of decreases. In the pattern it says to SSK and then at the end of the round knit two together, but I knit two together first and then SSK at the end, because doing it the other way, the decreases are going to go like this, since the SSK leans to the left and then the knit two together leans to the right. So if I do the SSK first, it's going to lean like this, and then at the end it's going to lean like that. And I want them to lean inward like that. So that's just a preference thing. It's not going to change the way the pattern is because it's just decreases. Like, no one's looking under your arm, okay? If they are, they're weird. Anyway, so that's the only thing that I'm changing, which doesn't change the pattern. Like I said, it is currently 9:03 p.m. I'm staying up with Kahila.
Period.
I'm staying up with Kahila tonight. We're probably going to stay up late, especially since free practice for Abu Dhabi for F1 is at 1:30 a.m. And that's typically when we stop knitting. So we might as well just stay up. Exactly. So this is how much I've gotten done so far today. You can see compared to the other side. So this is fun. I am super excited. I think I can get a lot done, especially since as you decrease the sleeve, you know, it gets smaller, which means it gets faster because there are less stitches. And I'm loving the way the color is working out. It's literally matching so perfectly. Like, she dyed these skeins beautifully. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to spend another few hours just knitting. I'm not really going to update much because it's just literally me working on the... I feel like something's in my eye. It's just literally me working on the sleeve and the decreases. I'm going to try to get like 8 more sets done before I come and update again, and we'll see what time that will be. Okay, but for now, I'm going to knit. Guys, I just went to sleep. I was so tired from knitting. Not from knitting, but I was just so tired. I said, oh yeah, I'm gonna stay up for the free practice one at 1:30. No. Literally like 30 minutes later, I was too tired. I didn't even feel like filming, okay? But I did not do much after my decreases. I just knit one round after, and then I was like, you know what? I'm going to sleep. Okay, so that's what I have done. I want to finish the sleeve today, which is the next video you'll see, because I started the new video today, but I just wanted to tell you that I went to sleep and I only got the first set of decreases done. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, which is today since it's the next day, and you'll see what I accomplished, because I don't even know yet. I want to finish the sleeve today. We will see. And you'll see tomorrow. So, bye!